Welcome back to my channel. We will be starting a new solid tutorial with making of a green light hose and fitting swivel adapter. Okay, so or we call it as a 90 degree elbow fitting. Okay, let's get started. We choose the one plane and select the sketch, and now then we have to make a line from here to here and to here. Let's say, let's put something system option and then document and then unit is in inch, so it's correct one. So let's go start to dimension it. Okay, let's do the dimension as 2.5 in inches. And regenerate the model, and let's save it. Oh, this one is not the right one. It's 2.5 in inches, and now 2.5 also in inches. So now it's done, and then let's go and get out of the dimension, and then I wanted to have something like, oh, let's go out of the sketch first, and now I want to have a plane from here and to here. So I click the point here at the top, and then also I click also this one, which is the point on the 4, and then the line 2, it says line 2. So first reference is the point right there, and then the second reference will be this one. So I make a plane 1. Okay, now I wanted to have a circle to be drawn in front of the plane 1. So let's go and put something like, let's say 2 inches. Okay. Get back again. Two inches. And let's get out of the drawing. You click the checkbox, and then let's go to picture, and then sweep boss. You use the sweep boss for that one. Oh, sorry, I had to go back onto the sketch 1 to edit, and then offset it the other way around, reverse it. So let's say about 25. Okay, and get out of the offset entities and check it, the dialog box. Now you have something like a 2 round thing in front of the perpendicular to the line. So let's get out of the sketches, and then let's do the sweep boss, where this the sketch profile, which is this one. You just click this one, and the path, you click the path here, so it will be shown like that. It will make a solid area like a pipe. And let's get out of the sweep command and right click the plane one and just hide it. Okay. Okay. And now let's do some sketch in front of this. Okay, sketch and draw a circle. Not a circle, it's a polygon that is six sided. So let's do that one. Okay. Let's do this one. Click this side and then shift key and click the other side, so it will be vertical. So let's click the vertical one, and it comes to a straight vertical. Okay, and now measure it or put the dimension as 2.5 to 2.5. And then let's get out of the dimension dialog box and click this side and make it as a convert to entities. Now you have now a fully defined polygon and with the circle on inside. So we're gonna make an extrude that is, let's say, 125. That's the unit as in inch. So it's more. So it may be 1 inch. 1 inch. Okay. Okay. So now that you have now a much better drawing. Let's reduce this one. I wanted to reduce this one or put it more longer. So let's do some threaded one, but I need to have it more longer. So let's do some sketch just to increase it and then convert to entities. That's this one. Convert it to entities. So there is two now circles on the drawing. So let's increase the length. Maybe that one is good. It's about 1 inch longer, and it will be merged the result into this solid. And click OK. Now you have a defined a good solid work object. Now I wanted to make it something like a jumper on this side. It is maybe 0.15. So unit as in inch. Okay. Or 0.1 only. And also here. So it's more nicer to look. And also here. So let's do some jumper also. I'll just click that jumper to edit, so I can make another jumper on the inside part of the polygon. Now it's much better. Now I wanted to have it rounded, this one, the polygon, so it's more look like a more nicer look on the bolt. Okay, let's do some insert of a thread. We're gonna do some insert pictures and then thread. Okay, and then let's do this one, and then let's do something like to be threaded is, let's do this one, maybe more. More. So 1.5 with the thread that is maybe 3, and then let's do some extrude. Okay, let me try if it is good enough already. So let's check it. Oh, extrude cut the thread. Okay. Oh, that's quite a nice one. Let's try another way then. So let's do some bigger thread out of this. Number 4. Just left hand or right hand, and then see the preview, let's check it. Yeah, that is cool. There is a thread already, but I wanted it to be more thread. I mean bigger thread. As it is. Oh, this is the last thread that I can put it in. So let's stay on that one. The probe. So let's go there. Okay. That one is nicer. The pine thread. And also here, where we can put something like a threaded stuff here. Rubber. So let's insert a thread, the pictures and thread. Then show that one. Okay. Thread itself. It holds also the 4 by 12 and with a 1.5 length. Okay. The shade of the right hand, and then the cut. Okay. Let's do it extruded thread. No, it's supposed to be cut thread. fine, fine. Well, let's do it again. Oh, it's M1. It's type. It changes them. So let's go by 4. So let's try this one. Oh, that is cool. Now they have a thread inside. Okay. And let's do some work here. That is, we chamfer this one at the 0.1 by 45 degree. Okay. Okay, just made, or I mean, I want to make a plane, axis first. So let's do some axis on the center. This is the pace that I choose to make it have a one axis line, axis edge. So let's click OK. And then I want to have another one that is the plane itself, which is this one. So it combines the axis right there plus the one that I click, this one, to make a plane. So the second reference is the edge one. So I wanted to have my sketches in this plane. So let's click OK. And now I want to have a sketch on the plane 4. So let's do some sketch on it. Okay. Let's do some sketch. Let's do some triangle. And this one will be 0.30 with the edges. Click OK. And this one is 0.30. Okay. Now you can see that there is something like a triangle. Let's do another one that is on the bottom. Or let's do some center line from here to here. So I can just mirror it, the entities. The mirror entities, entities to be mirrored is this one, this portion. You see that is line 1, line 2, and line 3, and line 5. And then to be copied on the other side, which is to mirror about, is right here. So you can see that the yellow, it copies on the other side of the drawing or the sketch. Now they have both a triangle. So let's get out of the sketches. Then you see that there is an axis. I want that two triangle to rotate on this axis and cut this side. So let's do it. Revolve onto this. Oops. Where is that one? Revolve first. Let's get out of that. And revolve. So let's do again. This is the axis. You see that the axis of revolution of cutting is on that side, and automatically by the preview, they will cut on both ends. So let's see. Now you can see that it was now fully cut onto the at the polygon solid. It looks like it's kind of exaggerated cut, so I will make the I will make the sketch a little bit, edit it. So let's do some editing. So this one is supposed to be just 0.20 and also 0.20. So it will cut only just a small portion. So let's get out of the sketch. Now you see that it was fully cut in exact cutting of the polygon solid. Now let's do some let's put something like a material color on the drawing or into the solid object. It is, let's go advance and go to the browse and look for something like a bronze or a silver. So we can choose bronze course, and let's get out of the drawing and let's do some hiding. The plane needs to be hide. Okay, and this one also I wanted to hide it, the axis itself. Now you can see that it's a brass or a bronze. Let's change it to brass. I forgot it is supposed to be brass, not bronze. So let's go to brass. So it's coarse. Open and then check the. Now it will be a brass pipe fitting of a 90 elbow. Now I have to open a SolidWorks Visualize Professional, which is used to make it a render. So let's open the project, which is 194 exercise, which is the fitting 90-degree elbow. It's okay. Let's wait a bit. Now you can see that it's a bronze that is very shiny. So let's do some pass render. So let's do some exercise 194, and let's go to the 194 folder, and let's do the thumbnail. Select, and let's get started of doing this. Start rendering. Just wait a bit, and then we'll see right away a nice looking sorry for that, a nice looking render. Let's do the smaller one. Okay.